I was there when we left off, I decided I'd go grind to buy that new hat, and I got a tomato card and a tomato juice card, which restores more health than the tomato card, obviously. But, yeah. Now I only have 5G and we're ready to move on with the plot. Take the car. What a statement. So we're going to Ratville now. Watch out for falling boulders. Of course! The minute we say this, it happens. I mean, you don't believe it. It's a game. What? You're not gonna heal us anymore? Stingy butt. Man, they're being stingy with the money. Huh, we can kick rocks. I don't want to go there just yet. Desert clothes. Do you seriously really hurt us like that? It's a dead end. Alright. Let him take care of it. Yeah. There is a code that you can put into the game to get him controllable by a second player, but I've never ever found anybody that wanted to co-op with me for such a short period of time. Oh, I got a level up. Maybe they won't kill me as quickly now. Ooh, I need that money. Look at that, 50 gold. Another dead end. See what a difference a level makes? I could grind off of these guys if I wanted to. I don't know what the point the rock serves. Oh yeah, the hat goes further, does more damage, and it goes in a wave pattern, just like my first hat did. Scratchers. These guys are known for dropping lots of money quickly. And my HP count. I'm gonna grind until I get to level 7. Grinding session time. Look how much money they drop. It's ridiculous. Alright, that's a good point to save. I don't want to end up with too few health to fight with. Oh yeah, I forgot about the kickback. I like how the cactus just sits there. Could use that to the hit I just took. Sorry guys if this is a very boring portion, but yeah. Anything, I'll max out my gold account. Crap, that sucked. I'm actually taking quite a beating here. Why does it take so gosh darn long? Alright. I think we're close to level 7, but I want to get to actually level 7. Give me more tomatoes. I don't need money anymore. I think I'm fine. I think the strongest hat is like 800 gold. I'm well on my way there. See, that's why you don't want to fight the cactuses. I don't know what the point of that was, but okay. And I'm gonna die here if I don't take care of myself. Or at least the recovery is quicker. Yeah, getting a level. Now I just gotta survive until I get to the next point where I can heal myself. Sorry for the grind session, folks, but probably be the only one I do. I'll read ahead the FAQ next time and learn what I have to do. And I'll actually get to the next area before I even grind. Ooh, that's nice. You know, let's check this out. Nice boost, but I can see better. That's why they want you. The FAQ wants you just to buy exclusively tomato juice cards, because they heal a lot more. Fire breather. Should we go right or left? Moving through the mountains. Whoops. Nice. Got a nice money count here. Oh no! Rats. No. We have a son here, but he's not really evil. As far as I can tell. At least until he decides to take over a kingdom because our resources are important to them. Dracumon. Camilla is sick. Ugh. Yep. I like how they call them men, but they're like children. Helios Bane. Helium Bane? She's got classic cartoon bird dancing over her head. Water of the Kalala Desert. Are you going to give us a bottle to put it in? Yeah, so we have to go to a pyramid and fight crocodile. He better not look like some big-lipped alligator. Level 7. Nice hint. You're not gonna heal us. What about you? What about you? See, this is why I ground up earlier. So I'm prepared. I almost got stuck. Ah, sweet health. Can I buy anything? Of course not. Oh well. At least if I get too hurt, I can... Actually, I'm gonna make another save state. There we go. Now I can't possibly screw up. Collecting money is actually less important now, because I think it does cap at 999. Although I could be wrong. I don't think you can kill these. They're just there to be annoying. Oh, no, they do die. I wish they'd die quicker. They don't hurt, but they'll knock you off the ledge. So it's better just to eliminate them. This is real exciting stuff. These better be worth a lot of experience for the trouble I'm going to killing them. Let's see, the experience level is nearly 2,000. Man, this is goddamn boring. I shouldn't even waste my time. But I am a completionist. Well, one of them died. They don't give you that whole much experience, apparently. Yeah, not a whole lot. I wasted my time. Sorry, folks. Yeah, only one experience point. So yeah, if you see these, don't waste your time. Why am I still doing it? Because it can be an annoyance. See, those things, you get to ride them. So floating jellyfish. Interesting. Get away from me, stupid twisters. This is why they suck. Time your jumps better. Look how much health that took off. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Looked like he had a hard time. Ooh, it's the desert below us. I can only imagine how this is gonna end. Yep, about what I expected. What's in this place? Oh good, a shop is here. I'd say 2 is fine for now. Alright, now's a good time to stop the video. I might grind if I have to. See you guys later.